You know, a lot of my coaching students will say to me from time to time, or maybe on a complimentary coaching call, they'll say, oh, I'm off track and I didn't do what I was supposed to do last week. But the secret to a perfect future in real estate is one day in a row. Always start with one perfect day in a row. You can't have two if you didn't have one. So you can't have five if you didn't have one. So it all starts with one perfect day in a row. So what does a perfect day look like if you're a fearless agent? Well, let's say that you want to focus on listings, okay? Most of the people that come to me, they say, oh, Bob, I want to focus on listings. Listings are the name of the game, list to last. But they're always out there doing buyers. If I go to their website, it says search for homes. It's always a buyer attraction thing. So they want to get back on track, focus on listings. So the perfect fearless agent schedule for you might be like this. 9 a.m., you pick up the phone like I did at 8:59 to make your first call. You call till noon. You eat lunch at noon. You call till 5. You eat dinner at 5. Then you could keep on calling till maybe 8 p.m. But that might be the perfect day. So think about it. If you're going to leave a listing appointment or go to a listing appointment at 7 p.m., you might not get out of there with the listing and get back home till 10. If you started at 9, that's a pretty long day. So you don't need to start earlier than that. But what if you did that every weekday? You were completely relaxed. You didn't care what happened. You weren't, God's in charge of the outcome. I'm just the input guy. What if that was the way you ran your business like I did when I was in real estate? I just sat back and put my feet up and made my calls and didn't care what happened. And magically, you'll schedule 5 listing appointments a week maybe. Then you'll have 2 of them probably cancel. You'll go on 3. You'll get 1. Okay, so what I would like for you to do is go to fearlessagent.com, up in the banner, go to the right, click on our webinar, watch the webinar, and then give me a call at 480-385-8810. That's my cell phone. We'll have a quick conversation just to see if Fearless Agent would be a good fit for you. If it is, you'll get rich. If it's not, I'll admit it, you'll admit it. I'm still happy to help you in any other ways I might be able to. Subscribe to our podcast at fearlessagentpodcast.com. Subscribe here at fearlessagent.tv for all our videos. And then if you're an owner of a real estate company and you happen to be recruiting fewer producing agents than you wish you were, go to fearlessagentrecruiting.com, watch my video, and then give me a call. But no matter what happens, we want to make you a fearless agent. Thanks.